Please start.
Okay. So, whenever you see a successful person, you only see the public glories, never the private sacrifices to reach them. So, over here, I am welcoming Dr. B.V. Katyani, Principal, JIP MER, Puducherry. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. Center for Continuing Nursing Excellence or CCNE is organizing All India Nursing Article Writing Competition, and CCNE is a platform that provides innovative products based on the integration of academics, life skills, and exposure to the nursing science. So my first question is, being an advisory board member, why this kind of activity is important for the nursing fraternity? Yeah, ma'am, am I audible?
So, any profession want to be progressing, or it has to be progressed, or need to be progress in their field. So, since nursing being the arts and science profession, so we need to progress scientifically, and we need to acquire new knowledge, and you want to contribute new knowledge to our profession.
I think network is very slow. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible, ma'am? Hello,
Hello,
hello. Yeah, ma'am.
there was a problem with your side or my side, ma?
No, ma'am. There are proper networks.
Okay. Because there was a discontinue. I saw the discontinuation of the link, so that is the reason.
Oh, no,
Okay.
no issues.
Anyway, we will finish quickly. Okay, I'm very sorry. I will start with that. Since nursing being a profession, and it is based on scientific principles, and actually the research is the one of the foremost important activities we need to do and progress, and to contribute new knowledge to our profession. I think we need to have this kind of activities. It is very normal in any profession that you keep progressing with the research activities. So it is very important. I really appreciate the efforts taken by the members to organize such an important event. I think one of its first kind that I think many private organization conducting such a meaningful event. So to sensitize the younger generations and even the good researchers to highlight their findings, and to give opportunity for them to publish also.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So, how much this competition is beneficial for the nursing community?
Yes, I already said nursing is a profession. So we know that research is a very important component of a profession. So we are all researchers in one or the other way. Maybe the bedside nurses, we may think they may not be doing the research, but they day to day, when you see their activities, they explore many things, and they try to. Now we are talking about nowadays evidence-based practice. So all over the world, or all over the profession, we talk about evidence-based practice. So when you want to evidence-based practice, the evidence is required. Where the evidence comes? Through research. So you need to do the research. Then only the well refuted researches are required for a profession, and it has to be implemented in the in day-to-day caring of the person, and clients, and even the families and community at large. So it is very, very essential that these kind of activities and the research activities especially is it's an indication that the profession is progressing. So we require such activities. So everybody will get benefited. The readers also, the person who is doing, he will become very expert in doing the researches, and the person who is reading also will implement, and he will acquire more knowledge, and he will implement also.
Yeah. Okay. So, how can students, academicians, professionals take the advantage of CCNE?
Yes, that they have to participating such an event,
Yeah.
and they're publishing their articles. Sometimes they sometimes I have seen, and myself I have seen, struggling to publish our papers in other kind of reputed journals. And
Yeah.
sometimes this CCNE is given opportunity, it is wide open to many aspirants, that they can publish their articles, and they can write articles, those who want to write. And they have making instigating good minds to put effort the publishing the articles, and also encouraging them to take part in such event, so that they will be recognized, and not only that, they become the resource for many people. So this whatever they are doing, it's a new knowledge, so you are adding a new knowledge to your profession. So that becomes a documentation. That is a your real asset. The whatever you publish and whatever your recognition has happened. So it really asset in your life, and that will make inspire many people to do take up many kind of research or investigations or kind of interventions in their day-to-day caring life. And also the teachers, academicians also will implement for their students also. They inspire the students also. They become the role models to others.
Yes, ma'am. This is absolutely true that students, if I talk about students or academicians or any, professionals, they people find, problem in publishing their papers. Yeah, so CCNE will be the great platform for them. Okay, so what is the current requirement for students and professionals to go forward in nursing domain?
They can and whatever area they are working, they can take up small studies, small, maybe that is the first step. You need not have a large scale of conducting the program or conducting the project. So you can take up small project with the supervision and with the guidance of their teachers and supervisors or their seniors. Take the help of from the statisticians, so they can do small studies. Then that become the stepping stone for the success, for a bigger successful projects, and what is called as they can have the research in large scale.
Yeah. So as you have already said that research is very important, okay, in the
Very
past time.
important.
Yeah. So I'm adding here something that how research and research-based publication in nursing domain can be improved using CCNE like platforms.
Yes, they can see their
I think there are some network issues.
monthly. Hello,
Hello,
can
yeah,
you hear me now?
yeah, ma'am, yeah,
Yes. Anytime when the CCNE has advertised, or they are already sending the notifications that we accept the publications in various specialization. So this is an opportunity. You have to grab the opportunity. Okay. So this is a kind of opportunity for any person, any professional, or in the nursing, maybe the students, or maybe the, because some people it may be a requirement, like PhD student, they have to publish certain articles before they go for defense viva. So they can look for so such publishers, so that they can go for, and they can complete their assignments, and so that they can ready for the viva.
Yes, ma'am. It is a great opportunity and people should grab it, right? Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time. Thanks for your support. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, CCNE. Okay.
Thank
Bye.
you.
All the best.
Thank
All
you.
the best.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.